24-month roadmap, compressed and validated. Days 1-7, utilization less than 9%, rent reporting, Experian Boost, LLC IIN. Days 8-30, PFD, pay for delete, goodwill letters, 2 secured cards plus builder loan, lender calls. Days 31-60, buy Duplex, FHA, Federal Housing Administration, house hack, lease 1 unit, drop housing to $375. Months 3-6, stabilize, systemize turns, stack cash. Month 6-12, execute BRRRR, buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat, with DSCR at 1.20 or more. Months 12-24, rent your unit, post FHA year, refinance where math wins, add 4-8 more units, small multifamily. 24-month real estate roadmap. Days 1-7, build credit and foundation utilization less than 9%. Pay credit cards down so balances are less than 9% of your limit. Example, $1,000 credit limit, keep balance, $90. Rent reporting, use services, for example RentTrack, BoomPay, to add rental history to credit bureaus. Experian Boost, add utilities, phone bills for instant score jump, LLC plus EIN, register your business for clean bookkeeping, funding, and tax protection. Goal, jumpstart credit score, set up LLC for clean investing. Days 8-30, credit repair and banking relationships, PFD, pay for delete. Negotiate with collections, example, I'll pay $300 today if you remove this from my credit report. Goodwill letters, request removal of old late payments. 2 secured cards plus 1 builder loan. Open $200, $500 secured cards, plus small installment loan. Lender calls. Start relationships with credit unions, local banks. Goal, establish credit mix, build lender trust, and remove negatives. Days 31-60, first asset, FHA house hack. Buy a duplex, FHA loan, 3.5% down, live in 1 unit, rent the other. Example, $200K duplex, $7,000 down, rent one side for $1,200, live in the other. Drop housing to $375. Tenant rent covers most of your mortgage. Goal, own first income-producing property with minimal out-of-pocket living cost. Months 3-6, stabilize and stack cash. Stabilize property, fix small repairs, find solid tenants, systemize turns, build process for leasing repairs with your PM or contractor, stack cash, save profits plus W2/side income for next down payment or rehab. Goal, smooth operations, create cash cushion, prove you can manage rentals. Month 6-12, scale with BRRRR, target BRRRR. Deals, buy undervalued properties, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. Example, buy $100K triplex, $25K rehab, ARV equal. Sign $160K, rent equal sign, $2,400 per month. Refi covers costs. Rule DSCR, 1.20. Property must cash flow even after refinance. Goal, add 2-3 more units with little no new money invested. Months 12-24, leverage and multiply rent your FHA unit. After 12 months, you can legally move out and rent both units. Example, Duplex now generates $2,400 total rent. Mortgage equals sign $1,200, $1,200 net cash flow. Refinance where math wins. Pull out equity tax-free to fund new purchases. Add 4-8 units, small multifamily. Buy duplexes, triplexes, quads with DSCR loans or commercial lenders. Goal, end year 2 with 610 total units producing $3,000, $6,000 monthly net cash flow. Final outcome after 24 months. Credit, repaired, boosted, and bank ready. Portfolio, 610 doors. Cash flow, $3,000, $6,000 month. Equity, $200K, $400K, depending on appreciation plus BRRRR refis. Lifestyle, living costs near zero, financial freedom path locked in. Dollar 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 dollar. Pro level extras to edge out competitors. Rent-to-price quick screen. In most markets today, a 0.8%, 1.0% monthly rent-to-price ratio is a strong first filter. For example, $1 $800 month rent until the $180 $225K price. Expense guardrails. Taxes 1-2% per year of value, market dependent. Insurance $80, $150 per month per SFR. Maintenance 5-8% of rent. CapEx 5-8%, vacancy 5%, management 8-10% or self-manage. Value add levers, fastest NOI. RUBS, ratio utility billing system. Pet rent fees. Parking storage laundry income. MTR, medium term rental. For travel staff. ADU, accessory dwelling unit, where legal. Compliance. Check landlord-tenant law. Short-term/MTR ordinances, zoning and permitting before executing changes. FHA nuance. Clarify self-sufficiency requirements on 3-4 units with your lender before offers. Pro-level extras, to edge out competitors. These are professional investor filters and tactics that separate casual landlords from operators building wealth fast and safe. 1. Rent-to-price quick screen. Rule of thumb. Strong deals often meet a 0.8%, 1.0% monthly rent-to-price ratio. Formula, monthly rent, purchase price. Example, rent equal, sign $1,800. Price equal sign $200,000. $1,800, $200,000, equal sign 0.9% good deal. Rent equal sign $1,200 on $200,000, 0.6% likely too low unless in a hot growth market. Action. Use this as a first filter to screen out weak deals in seconds. 2. Expense guardrails. Always estimate expenses using pro-level ranges so you don't get blindsided. Taxes, 1-2%/year of property value, varies by state. Example, $200K property in TX, $3,000, $4,000 year taxes. Insurance, $80, $150/month per single family rental, SFR. Maintenance, 5-8% of rent. $1,800 rent, $90, $145 per month. CapEx, big repairs, 5-8% of rent, $1,800 rent, $90, $145 per month. Vacancy, 5% of rent, 1 month per 20 months. Management, 8-10% or save by self-managing. Action, plug these ranges into underwriting before making offers. 3. Value add levers, fastest NOI growth. These are small changes that boost net operating income, NOI, instantly. RUBS, ratio utility billing system. Bill tenants proportionally for shared utilities. Example, $300 per month water bill, pass $250 back to tenants, plus $3,000 NOE year. Pet rent fees, charge $25, $50 per month per pet. Parking storage, $50, $100 per month per space or garage. Laundry income, add coin-op or card machines. MTR, medium-term rental. Rent to traveling nurses or corporate staff, 30-90 days. Higher rent, less wear. ADU, accessory dwelling unit. Build, rent, basement, garage or backyard unit where legal. Action, always look for at least 1-2 value-add levers before buying. 4. Compliance first. Why? Many investors lose money by violating laws unknowingly. Checks before executing. Landlord-tenant law. Evictions, deposits. Short-term/MTR ordinances, some cities ban them. Zoning, can you add an ADU legally? Permits, unpermitted work, equal sign fines plus appraisal issues. Action, spend 30 minutes with a local real estate attorney before implementing value-add strategies. 5. FHA nuance, 3-4 units. Rule, for FHA house hacks with 3-4 units the property must meet self-sufficiency requirements. Meaning, the total rent must cover the full mortgage. PITI, example, 4-plex purchase price, equal sign $500K, mortgage equal sign $3,500 per month, market rent $3,800 per month, passes. If rent $3,200 fails, FHA won't approve. Action, always confirm with lender before making offers so you don't waste time on non-qualifying deals. Bottom line, quick screen, 0.8 to 1.0% rent-to-price ratio. Expense guardrails, taxes, insurance, maintenance, capex, vacancy, management, value adds, rubs, pet rent, parking, laundry, MTR, ADU, compliance, always verify local laws before changes. FHA 3 to 4 unit rule. Must self-sustain with rents to qualify. Final word, 2-year to Millionaire Manifesto. 1 step, 1 day, 730 days. TCB, take care of business. This is a critical procedure, a life or death decision for your future freedom. We execute the plan 1 step at a time, 1 day at a time for 730 straight days. How bad do you want to be free? Show us, show yourself. The pledge. I show up daily, analyze 3 deals, make 1 offer, contact 1 operator. I buy only safe cash flow. Every deal must pass the 10% rent and plus 1% rate stress tests. I protect the downside. Fixed rate loans, attorney-reviewed leases plus umbrella insurance, LLC banking, lien waivers, 3-6 months reserves. I scale with discipline, DSCR at 1.20 or more, COC at 8-12% or greater, BRRRR only when the numbers win. I earn upgrades. For every $1 of lifestyle, I first create $3 of new NOI. Let's do this the way it was meant to be done. Let's TCB. Let's show them what we're made of. The same thing they're made of. Let's do this the way it was meant to be done. Let's TCB.